Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to find Imposter Santa, and let's get shit into the video. So in order to find Imposter Santa, we will need to make our way over to the workshop takeover, which is one of the things that has been added in the new update. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So now in order to find the workshop takeover, so I believe what we need to do is we need to make our way over to this big looking red house. It should be quite near your base, so it wouldn't be too hard to find. But anyways, once you do make your way over here, Santa will be inside, and as we saw in the cutscene, there will be, I believe, a turret. Yeah, a bunch of turrets looking at us, aiming at us, so we do need to be careful. So okay, so actually before we can enter, we need to make the Christmas biome safe. And in order to make the Christmas biome safe, what we need to do is we need to basically help all of the elves. So basically what we need to do is we just need to basically help all the elves, and the helping the elves should be the same. You know, we find the sled, we buy all of these items, we help all the elves, and then that should basically be it. Now that is basically how to find the workshop takeover, where the Imposter Santa is. Again, he should be in this big looking red area. It should be quite near the base, so it won't be too hard to find. I mean, it's nighttime right now, but yeah, there we go. It's really big, and yeah, so it should be easy to find. So yeah, that is basically it for the video. That is how to find the Imposter Santa. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I believe you also need to like light up all the 12 trees as well. So yeah, it will take quite some time to finish, but that's fine. The reward should be worth it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.